Imagine a world of sapphire waters, untamed beauty, and stories buried beneath the waves. This is the Indian Ocean. Stretching over 70 million square kilometers, it is the third largest ocean on Earth, yet it holds some of the greatest mysteries known to mankind. From the depths of its trenches to the vibrant life that thrives on its surface, today we embark on a journey across the Indian Ocean like never seen before. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we unveil these wonders together. Chapter 1: Origin and Formation. Millions of years ago, when the supercontinent Gondwana began to break apart, the Indian Ocean was born. Unlike the Pacific or Atlantic, this ocean tells a tale of drifting continents, shifting plates, and evolving islands. Its very floor is sculpted by immense geological forces, with ridges and underwater volcanoes shaping its hidden landscapes. To learn more about how the Earth's oceans formed, subscribe and stay tuned for our upcoming episodes. Chapter 2: The People and Cultures Along Its Shores. Bordering Africa, Asia, and Australia, the Indian Ocean has been a highway of civilizations for thousands of years. Ancient mariners sailed across its vastness, Arabs, Indians, Malays, and Swahilis, all leaving their mark on the cultures that thrive today. Zanzibar, Sri Lanka, the Maldives, Madagascar, each with a history deeply intertwined with the waves that brought explorers, merchants, and legends. If you'd like us to cover more of these civilizations in depth, comment below. Chapter 3: Biodiversity, a World of Life. Beneath the shimmering surface lies one of the most diverse marine ecosystems on Earth. The Indian Ocean is home to the world's most stunning coral reefs, including the Great Chagos Bank, the Andaman Sea's marine wonders, and the Maldives' underwater paradise. From the mighty blue whale to the elusive dugong, from phosphorescent plankton to vibrant sea anemones, life flourishes in an unmatched symphony of colors and survival. Help support marine conservation by sharing this video and raising awareness. Chapter 4: Climate and Weather Patterns. Unlike any other ocean, the Indian Ocean breathes with the monsoons. These seasonal winds dictate life in the region, bringing rains to the Indian subcontinent, shaping agriculture, and even influencing global weather patterns. But it is also a region of turbulence. Cyclones brew in its waters, some of the most powerful storms on Earth, capable of reshaping coastlines and altering lives in an instant. What weather patterns fascinate you the most? Let us know in the comments. Chapter 5: The Mysteries and Legends of the Indian Ocean. For centuries, sailors feared the unknown depths of the Indian Ocean. Stories of ghost ships, lost treasures, and undiscovered islands have been whispered through generations. The fabled lost city of Dvaraka, the enigmatic disappearance of Flight MH370, and ancient shipwrecks that still rest undisturbed on the seabed. This ocean holds secrets we may never fully unravel. If you love unsolved mysteries, hit the subscribe button and stay with us. Chapter 6: Modern-day Importance and Challenges. Cargo ships, oil spills, Marine conservation efforts. Today, the Indian Ocean remains as vital as ever. It is the lifeline of global trade, with billions of dollars worth of goods passing through its waters each year. But with modernization comes challenges: rising sea temperatures, plastic pollution, and the looming threat of overfishing. The balance between human activity and ocean conservation has never been more crucial. Want to know how you can help protect our oceans? Check the links in the description. Chapter 7: Underwater Volcanoes and Earthquakes. Show footage of underwater eruptions, tectonic movements. Beneath the ocean's surface lies a world of fiery activity. The Indian Ocean is home to several active underwater volcanoes and tectonic fault lines, contributing to earthquakes and tsunamis. Understanding these geological forces is key to predicting natural disasters. Share this video to spread awareness about the power of nature. Chapter 8: The Indian Ocean, Gyre, and Pollution. One of the biggest threats to the Indian Ocean today is plastic pollution, concentrated in a swirling mass called the Indian Ocean Gyre. This vortex traps tons of plastic waste, harming marine life. By reducing single-use plastics and supporting cleanup efforts, we can make a difference. Join the movement by hitting the like button. Chapter 9: The Lost Continent of Mauritius. Did you know there's evidence of a lost continent beneath the Indian Ocean? Mauritius, a submerged landmass, was discovered through geological research. What other secrets lie beneath these waves? If you love learning about lost worlds, subscribe for more deep-sea discoveries. Chapter 10: The Ocean as a Source of Energy. The Indian Ocean has immense potential for renewable energy. Tidal power, offshore wind farms, and wave energy are emerging as solutions for sustainable power generation. Investing in these technologies could be the key to a greener future. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Chapter 11: Marine Life Adaptations. Life in the Indian Ocean has evolved to adapt in remarkable ways. From bioluminescent creatures to deep-sea predators with extreme survival mechanisms, nature's ingenuity is on full display. If you're fascinated by marine adaptations, let us know which creatures you'd like to see next. Chapter 12: The Future of the Indian Ocean. As we look ahead, the Indian Ocean faces challenges and opportunities. Scientific advancements, ecotourism, and international conservation efforts are shaping its future. We all have a role to play in protecting this incredible ocean. Support marine conservation and subscribe for more oceanic wonders. If you enjoyed this journey through the wonders of the Indian Ocean, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep exploring together. Until next time.